Hello friends, this is Sansui CRT Slim Tube TV, and this is the complaint in the vertical stage. That number is LA78041. Okay, I removed this IC and it is blasted. Okay, now I am checking the board, why it is blasted. Okay, I keep the positive probes of the meter, analog meter, not a digital meter, analog meter. I kept it in ground, and the negative probe is to be checking whether it is short or not. See, the pin number 2 and 6, pin number 2 and 6 is the positive supply, that is no short. Okay. Okay, in the market we get the 78041 IC duplicate. For that purpose, I removing one kit is there in my shop, and I removing the old IC. I showing you the old IC is working and good, but in market ICs very delicate ICs. It is the IC is not good, etc. The problem is others. Okay, see the 78041 IC. I removing this IC, and I pins is to be straightened. Okay, I think it is good IC. Okay, let's check it whether it is short or any faults is there. Okay, we must check the ICs. When we put the IC, we must check the IC's cold condition. Okay, the ground connection is 4, pin number 4. I kept positive prod in the 4. Okay, that is 4. That is 4. Here is 2. This is supply voltage, and another one is 6. That is also a supply voltage. Through a diode it is getting the voltage. Okay, I showing you in the picture figure. See here, there is no short. Okay, here output in output section I am checking in the pin number 1, that is input. Okay, it is old IC. See here, this is pin number 2. Pin number 2, there is no short. Pin number 4, it is grounded na. Pin number 6, there is no short. Pin number 1, invert input, there is a short, and pin number 3 is also a short. Pin number 7, see here, there is no short in this IC. Okay, I think it is okay. IC okay. I putting this IC to the board. And we must put the heatsink paste for this, because of the heavy heat is generated in this IC. Okay, when the fitting is not good in the plate, this IC is burn out. Okay, and the surface of this IC is must to be good, otherwise the fitting is not perfectly. I filed this plate. Okay, I put a heatsink paste. Okay, this is must in any ICs. When the heat is generated, the heatsink must be cleanly fitted with the ports, otherwise the ports will burn out. Okay, I screwed it. We must do the work carefully. It is not a hard work. This is simple work. We must do the work carefully and see the videos with patiently and do carefully. Okay, I fitted tightly to the heat sink. Okay, in this TV, the complaint is very common, and in this vertical section we have a 2 capacitors, that is, one is from pin number 3 and another one is pin number 7. The pin number 7 capacitor is in input capacitor, that is, the capacitor is the height of the signal. Whether these capacitors are dry, the input voltage is varies. Okay, see here, this capacitor, see here, this is capacitor. The fungus will be formed in the capacitor. Okay, when we change the vertical IC, we must change these 2 capacitors in the vertical section. See, this capacitor is also a see this capacitor also dry. Okay, we put the two capacitors, that is 100 MFD 35 volt. This is the must to do the capacitors to change. Okay, the IC is cleaned the pins and put it to the board. Okay, extra lead is to be removing from the heatsink. The two capacitors are changed. Okay, the the soldering is to be very clean and very patiently we did. When we change 2-3 times in the vertical section, the track will be cut. When the track will cut, the work is not a sufficient look. Okay, see here, don't hit the pins very highly. How much heat is to be enough, that is enough. And clean this board with the NC thinner and see the pin connections. In between the pin connection there is short is there or not. Okay, it is cleaned by the knife or small pin, anything. Okay, the IC is changed and okay, we can put the power supply. See here, this is the horizontal section, horizontal wire, horizontal deflection wires. Okay, this is connected to the horizontal deflection section. We must identify the sections of the stages. Okay, this is vertical section, vertical yoke, vertical deflection yoke. Okay, these two are come from the vertical IC. The EST, this is 30,000 volts will be produced in this wire, in this LOT. Okay, I put a DC supply range. I check the voltage. See here, this is the 110 volt capacitor. Okay, okay, see here, I getting 50, 60 volt, 60 volt something. We must want in this point 110 volt. The now it is 60 volt supply we getting. The set is in standby position. When the set is in standby position, the supply is 60-70 volts. Okay, here is horizontal driver transformer. Here also we get the, firstly we check the voltage, horizontal collector voltage and horizontal driver transformer voltage. Then okay, now I want to remove from the standby position. I will put the switch in the panel. There is no nothing is there. The collector voltage is there and driver voltage is there. The standby is not releasing. I press the standby releasing button. There is no. Here I get a complaint. See, this is the panel socket. The track will be cut in this place. We all are seen and we did patiently. This complaint is to be traced 1 or 2 hours for me. Okay. See here, I check this connection. See, here is a track, but there is no continuity in this. See here, there is a track. Here we get the continuity, but the moment another track is broken. I focused you. See here, here is not getting the continuity. Here is track is cut, very thin track is there. Okay, I clean the track and solder it. See here, I cleaning the track with a knife. Okay, I put the power supply and the TV gets on. The TV gets on. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again. Please subscribe my channel for another video you will be seen. Thank you.